I'm thinking of buying some artificial ornamental plants to decorate our little home. Browse some online marketplaces to see how much they cost, and I was shocked. They usually range from 2,500 pesos to 3,500 pesos depending on the height of the plants. That's why I went to the mall to see if I could find something I could DIY instead. While I was looking around, I found some artificial plant leaves that were being sold per piece. So I started doing the math in my head to see if making it myself would actually save me money or if I'd end up spending even more. So, of course, before I gathered all the materials I was going to use, I browsed Pinterest for some inspiration. I wanted to get a few ideas first and see what kind of style I was going for before I started putting everything together. At first, I was honestly a little nervous because I wasn't sure if the idea I had in my head would actually work out. But as I started working on my DIY project, everything slowly came together. I began to figure things out along the way, and I could finally see how the finished result was going to look. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.